I was searching for glitter ink that wouldn't smudge, run out too fast, and it would show up on different surfaces. Found this 12 glitter paint pen pack that you just shake, press down, and draw, and it comes in this array of beautiful, shimmery 12 different colors. These are the extra fine. They do come in larger sizes as well, but I was looking for the detail of them, the acrylic-based glitter pens that kind of feels like a normal Crayola marker in my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and push that down and see if I can get the ink to release down to that tip. It is a Japanese nib tip, so it's supposed to be stable and hold its strength well. Yeah, I can see a little bit of that glitter action there up close. This is a high quality Italian ink, so it is said to flow evenly. It's not supposed to skip or jam or flood, and I am not experiencing any of that as I sit here and draw. I think you could see the glitter up close as I get to that. And this is kind of a golden color, again, that same 7.5 tip. And this is water resistant. And seeing how kind of bold and glossy they show up, I'm just going to kind of draw a picture here and see if the ink will stay and maintain, even though I'm not really resetting the ink. I'm going to kind of draw a palm tree here. And yeah, it's just drawing like a standard marker pen for me. I'm going to see if I can get this kind of precise detail that you often can't get from a pen, a paint pen, and the glitter. Now that I'm playing with it, I'd say this would be great for lettering, outlining, this intricate design. It's not struggling at all. And it is the ASTM certified, so I think this would be effective for both kiddos and adults alike. Let's see if I can like actually color in. Yeah, even like a standard coloring or drawing, even though it's a fine tip, it's working great for me. I'm just really not having any issues here. And although this is on paper, it's supposed to be good for rocks and wood, glass, ceramics, fabrics, plastics, metal, etc. You can see that real shimmer up close here. It's quite pretty. And I tried it on just a piece of black construction paper as well. There you can see the silver on the white versus the silver on that kind of gray, and no smudging or smearing at all now that it's dried. So up close, even though I drew that whole picture, it barely used any of the ink, so I do think this would last quite a while. They are not refillable, but I do think they're long lasting. So I hope that helps. Here's my review of these Artistro glitter pens, and I really do look forward to using them on all the different variety of surfaces.